Good day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome again to your favorite YouTube channel, Jamaican Drama TV. But today, we want to shift the attention from comedy and focus on a real issue that is affecting Jamaica land we love. Now, when I say this, I make reference to the Brazen daylight robbery that happened in Motegobay over the weekend, resulting in the loss of 2 lives and other persons injured. Now, Jamaican Drama TV has footage as also pictures that you will only see on this channel. So remember to like, share and subscribe in order to educate the citizens of what is happening in our society. Also remember to share your thoughts in the comment section, as we believe everyone's opinion is equally important. I will pause at this moment to allow you, the viewers, to take a look at the vehicles that were damaged by bullets.
38, that is a low yet, you know. Boom, what the line. You are touching here at 38, 39, 50, the blood. 38, 39, 51, 52, my blood clot.
As you saw in that video just now, curious onlookers were in disbelief to the mayhem that occurred in their community. And them sprayed the vehicle them with bullets from all angle. The thing turned up to a different level right now, so movie thing demand them. The facts to this incident are that Mr. Chow, who is a Chinese national and a prominent businessman in Motegobay, was transporting large sum of cash in his IS van and being escorted by armed security personnel when men in a blocked their path and alighted from the vehicle with high-powered weapons to include M16 rifles and open gunfire at the vehicles, giving the security officers no chance. The men then proceeded to rob the IS van of bags containing over 20 million Jamaican dollars, leaving no trace, and made good their escape. I will pause again to allow you, the viewers, to look at the damage that was done to the vehicles from a different angle.
Buckler, the general phone I ring like and get the news. Buckler, brother. So, one this and one the other.
She comes on this as you know.
They have a big gun there.
Right, come on, them are M16.
So, Chini, I've got by your side, man. Got the by your side.
Yeah.
General, I forgot this, man. That's actually got this out then. Crime scene, don't go this. Go this.
As you can see in this second video, there is a man lying along the roadway covered in a pool of blood. This man is said to be the driver of the IS van that was transporting the money. You could also hear a shaky Mr. Chow telling the person recording the video that the men had big guns. It is indeed sad to see what crime is doing to our country. Just recently, I saw a travel advisory that was sent out by the US to its citizens that they should avoid various places in Jamaica because of the upsurge in crime. Jamaican Drama TV sees it important to call out the government of Jamaica to implement meaningful and effective strategy to tackle crime. For our viewers, we say thanks for watching, and we ask that you will subscribe to our channel to get daily updates of what is trending in Jamaica. One love.